Ellen DeGeneres show reportedly lost more than 1 million viewers after the workplace controversy. I'm not going to use the word toxic, by the way, because
Oh, you did.
the word toxic is toxic as far as I'm concerned.
Mm-hmm. This day and age, yes. Very much so. Yeah.
Wow. Once thought of as daytime TV's Queen of Nice, host Ellen DeGeneres seems to have seen a harsh decline in ratings for the Ellen DeGeneres show since its return in September, according to a report in the New York Times. Nielsen data shows viewership has dropped by 1.1 million people, from 2.6 million viewers to 1.5, a 43% decline. More significantly, a 38% decline from her core demographic of adult women under 54. Yeah, she had the controversy. I don't know. People said she was mean. I believe the controversy was that she was mean.
Yeah.
Which is a weird controversy. Well, I mean, I guess it's not maybe that's not the right way to say it's weird. It's, as far as controversies go, it was one of the more subtle. It was like, well, what did she do? It's like, it was a culture of fear and anger and
mean
and meanness. I was afraid, and I don't want to make fun of it. I don't know what she did. I don't know anything, but it definitely amongst a variety of controversies, it was on the more the less severe end of it. Either way, people were not into it. And there was some chatter, and she did an apology, I think. But I just got to say, as far as the viewership decline, you don't know if it's her controversy, if it's just people's habits changed as she was not doing it. And it's been a long time, you've been doing that. Like, does it stay up, go up forever? Or in the meantime, did those core demographic groups shift onto other platforms and other content providers and other, just other people? Yeah, 2003 it started, man. 18 seasons, man. 2003. You know how old you were in 2003 when Ellen came out?
I was still in high school.
Stop it.
A budding teenager.
Stop it.
Yeah.
You probably weren't watching Ellen, though, still.
No.
What were you watching in 2003? You're lying.
Dawson's Creek.
Hey, man. Oh, my God.
I don't know.
That was too honest right there. Anyway, yeah, like I said, I just think you can't necessarily attribute all this to that controversy. I don't know. Maybe some of it, but I feel like there's more to the story. There always is more to the story.
Yeah.